Good morning. Happy Sunday snow day. Yes, our first snow day in so long. I just cannot believe we have snow. OMG. Let's go look outside. Like right now, you guys. 9:28 in the morning. I've never been this crunk in the morning. Like I was so ready to watch the snow fall, and then boom, my curtains fall down. So I have to like legit wait till my mom is ready to come up here. I'm not expecting it today or whatever, but I need my mom to do this because I can't do this by myself with the curtains up. And I just been in the bed laying around all morning, and I said, get your butt up out of that bed and go fix you some breakfast. You guys, it's so beautiful this morning. Like, I just love it. A little snow that I have in the house. And let's open the door. Let's open the door. So freezing. Like, I think it's sleeting right now, but okay, that's enough snow action. But you guys, let's open up the blinds. Okay, I'm gonna open up the blinds. Please, no more curtains who fall. Okay, I was like so gentle opening up these curtains, y'all. Just to look at that. Oh my goodness, it's just so beautiful. So I've been up this morning. I'm definitely going to make sure that my phone get as much charging as possible because you just never know. And I am going to be filming today. So I said, perfect time to film. Yeah, perfect timing to film and get things done because you're off tomorrow. There's no need for you to waste a good whole weekend and not film any content. So that's a good thing. So I'm going to turn you guys this way. I'm glad my kitchen is mostly everything from, there you go. I cleaned mostly everything from top to bottom. Kitchen wise, this has to turn on. Like, yay, getting the vibes set for a perfect snow day. So last night I cleaned the kitchen, like I said. Everything looks good. Everything looks good for the kitchen base. I think what I'm gonna try to attempt to do is organize after I cook. For one, organize my cabinet below me, organize that, and make sure everything looks good because inspection is coming this week, and I want to make sure everything is good. Also, I'm just super excited to have some hot cocoa, so that's what we're going to be making right now, hot cocoa and some breakfast. I cannot believe it. I'm so excited that it snowed. We barely get it and it snowed, which is amazing. But so I want to be very productive on a snow day. Like I really want to be very, very productive. It's going to be a productive day, but I'm going to have it like a relaxing version of a productive snow day. So baby, let it snow. That's breakfast. That could be breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We got our snow. We got our snow. We got our snow. We got our snow. Hey, hey, snow. We got our snow. We got our snow. I'll finish the rest of this hot cocoa. What would be your typical snow day? Let me know in the comments below. What would be your typical snow day? Okay. Okay, so snow is still on the ground. So I got this picture from Family Dollar, which is Dollar Tree actually. It was only $5, which I said it just fits like perfect. And of course my curtains. Yay. Then I got my plant from IKEA. She just stacked it on my Wi-Fi box. So I just put that plant there. This bedding is from Ross. Love a good bedding. And then of course, if you guys already seen it, but just how it looks with my mom's calling. Hello?
Hey, you babe back in?
Oh yes. So yes, you guys, I love how the picture is definitely like standing out and it just pops. I love it. And then also the pillows. So you guys know where I got that from already. And then my nightstand, I added a little plant that I got from IKEA. And I just put it on the nightstand and it goes with the rug. And then that picture, y'all know that picture. That's an OG picture. And then we are going to office. I just took the plants out. So we're going to work on this office, y'all. Don't worry. We're going to get it right. I'm gonna get my boho office right. Oh, and this is the diffuser that I have been using. So that's it. That's the diffuser and stuff. And then over here in the bathroom, we just took the pictures that was in my room, hung it in here, and then over here, we just put everything that's kind of glam and silver in the hallway. So we just put these here, kind of rotate it. Then we put these here. That was in my room. And then the iconic brushes. So yeah, and I have to fold clothes. But yeah, that's all I've been doing today. Thumbs up, I feel productive.